Hello and welcome to the Greater Springfield Business Connect podcast, or as we call it, the GSBC. Proudly brought to you by the Greater Springfield Chamber of Commerce and powered by Purple Bunny Marketing. I'm your host, Matt Taylor-Farrington, and today I am joined by Steve Foulis from MoneyQuest. Thank you for coming along. Have a chat.
Nice. Thanks for the invite.
So we'll dive straight in. For people who have never used a mortgage broker, how would you describe what MoneyQuest does and how that differs from that of a bank?
Yeah, good question. So at MoneyQuest, we've got access to 30 plus different lenders.
Yep.
We'll do the research across all those lenders, try to match that to clients' individual circumstances.
Yes.
And then we come up with recommendations that best suit that client's circumstances. Now, when someone walks into a bank, they've only got their own products.
Correct.
And they can only recommend and sell their own products.
Yes.
Now, sometimes those products may not be most suitable for those clients, but they can still provide them, which is fine. I worked for the banks for many years as well, and that's what they do. But we try to look after the best interests of the clients.
Yes. Yeah, definitely.
Yep.
You mentioned that you have access to over 30 lenders. I guess what does that actually mean for a borrower when they're trying to find the right loan?
Yeah, so we get a lot of information from lenders, a lot of updates to credit policy, to what their niches are, what their risk appetites are.
Yes.
Sometimes they're after first home buyers, sometimes they're after investors.
Yep.
Sometimes they're targeting refinances. And so we get all that information and make sure that, that when we're doing recommendations for clients we're getting the most suitable lender that best suits them.
Yeah.
And that changes over time as well. But it's it takes a lot of time to do all the education programs and all the research. But that's what we do and that's what we love doing.
Yeah. And I guess one of the benefits, having used a broker myself, that obviously knowing the appetite of the different lenders allows you to kind of push that person into the right application so that they are going to get that without having another hit to their credit file potentially with a lender that might not have an appetite for what they're looking for, correct?
Exactly right. Yeah. And that hurts clients, they've got multiple inquiries in a short period of time.
Yes.
It does hurt their credit score and then it reduces the amount of lenders that you can recommend. So
correct.
So it's really important to match them to the right lenders and we'll generally give clients sort of 3 to 5 of the most suitable options.
Yes.
End of the day, it's client's decision to who they want to go with. But, sometimes it might not be the lowest rate either. It comes down to service, rate, and some clients just like particular lenders as well. So,
yes. Yep.
And things like that. So they just got to reach out and then, even if they're not ready now, we put a plan in place.
Yes.
And get them ready.
Yep. Agreed.
Yeah.
All right. Well, that's all we have time for, but thank you for coming along, having a chat to us. Appreciate you jumping on the podcast. And thank you for tuning into the latest episode of the GSBC podcast.